Amazing. First of all, thank you so much for giving great support on getting 150 plus subscribers after uploading only 2 videos. It's really a great support from you all. Please continue the same, and this is motivating me a lot and giving more responsibility to create useful videos. Don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Let's talk about today's topic. I love how the Apple ecosystem is built. The way they created a continuity between their devices is amazing. Apple got a great option to share file from one device to another using AirDrop. I am also a MacBook user, but I am not using any iPhone. So this is not going to help me out. But I am sure there is a workaround for this. In this video, we are going to see the best alternative for AirDrop, which works on any device without any restriction. You can easily pick up any file from one of your device and transfer to another. This makes file transfer truly struggle-free. Sounds interesting, right? If you like this video, don't forget to change the color of the like button by clicking it. Share this video with your friends if you feel it's useful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't miss to click on bell button to get notified on every new video getting uploaded in our channel. By the way, my name is Karthi. You are watching Tech 47. Without wasting your valuable time, let's get into the video. As usual, all links used in this video will be added in the description below. Hey, did you watch my previous videos? If you missed it, I will add those links also in the description below. Not now, not now. After finishing this video, you can watch that. I am not going to delete it. It's available for you. In this video, we will discuss an amazing alternative for AirDrop, which is Snapdrop.net. Snapdrop is a free open source cross-platform web application that allows you to share files regardless of the platform of the devices. It works for iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, and basically any other mobile or desktop platform that can run a browser. All you need is a person-to-person network to make the transfer. That means both of your devices should be in the same network. If you do not have a common one, then you can simply switch the phone to hotspot mode and make your own network for a short duration. Good thing about this is no need to sign up or put down your details or download anything at all. You can just open the web app on your browser and you are good to go. Now it's demo time. First, let's jump into my phone and I am opening a browser. We'll open the Snapdrop link. You will be greeted by a white screen with a small blue Wi-Fi signal like icon. Interface is pretty straightforward and does not require any setting up, which honestly is one of the best part of it. If you want to create a shortcut for this website, it's very simple. Just click on 3-dot icon and add to home screen. This will create a shortcut in your phone and you can easily access this website in a click. Now I will open the same link in my laptop and once again the same white screen and with a small blue Wi-Fi page will show here. And I can see the name of my phone is reflecting here. If I want to send a file, simply select the device name and select whatever file I want to send to my phone. Boom! Now file transferred without any hassle. It's very simple and straightforward. Now you must be wondering, Karthi, how safe is this web app? Well, Snapdrop is an open source platform and developers claims that whatever is shared using the service only get transferred between two devices and no data is ever shared with any server or cloud. To top of that, the web app does not use any cookies because we are not going to sign up. There is essentially no database. Files on the Snapdrop are shared using WebRTC, which means they are encrypted and making the platform extremely safe. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have any doubt about this application, please comment down here and please feel free to share this video with your friends if you feel it's useful. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on every new video getting uploaded to our channel. We'll meet you all soon in next video. Till the time, bye from Karthi. Be safe. Enjoy your day.